Hey.
Hi.
Where are we going?
I'm going home.
Nice pose. Ow. Don't do that.
Why are you saying nice pose to me? When you've like waited like 2 years to get like my jacket.
I said nice pose.
For what?
My clothes.
Oh, what do you mean pose?
You thought I was taking a picture.
Oh.
Where are we going?
Pilot.
We're at Pilot.
We're at Subway.
This is a creepy Mexican door. Ooh, I didn't throw my trash away. Here, take the camera.
Go throw it away.